The normal charging function is performed using a charger installed in your home that is hardwired into a dedicated circuit. Electric vehicle supply equipment, EVSE, if so equipped, or an SAEJ 1772 compliant cord set to connect the vehicle to a dedicated AC 220 to 240 volt circuit. Depending on your vehicle equipment, your charging time may vary. The charge port for normal charging is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. To begin normal charging, ensure that the vehicle is in park. Apply the parking brake and place the power switch in the off position. Open the charge port lid and cap. Plug the charge connector into the charge port on your vehicle. When it is properly connected, a beep will sound once. If charging has started, or if the battery is waiting for a preset charging timer, a beep will sound twice, and the charging status indicator light will operate. Once charging is complete, unlock the vehicle and press the button on the charge port. Then release the lock and remove the charge connector from the port. Close the cap on the charge port and then close the charge port lid. Make sure to properly store the charge connector when not in use. Normal charging can be used with the immediate charge, remote charge, and charge timer functions. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.